What's up, guys? UDRC here. A quick vid. Got me some goodies in the mail today. Man, I'm pretty excited. Can't wait to get these things installed. First of all, I got me some shock covers for the Xmaxx right here. Got the orange. Alright. It's lightning orange by FullforceRc. Check them out. It's FullforceRc.com. Alright. Great guy, man. I bought the green shock sleeves for my green Xmaxx before from him. Fast shipping. He responds to you any questions. So go check him out. FullforceRc. Got the shock covers. Then I also got GoPro mount. So it basically, see better back. So it basically goes on the back, on the Nerf bar back here on the Xmaxx. It clips in, and then it sits right over the roof line, and then you can see see everything going on in the front. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it holds up with the GoPro, with the jumps, all that good stuff. And normally I have it stuck to the roof of the truck with the GoPro adhesive stuff. So we'll see. We'll give it a try. All right. So again, FullforceRc guys, go check him out. He has it for all different types of makes, and he has skulls and body savers and all kinds of goodies, man. You'll check him out. And then last but not least, I went to Island RC Nut, a website where you can get you your Perfect Pass. I believe they're sold out right now, but I did see Raz Schifrin. He put a video out a couple days ago, and he was demoing the Perfect Pass, and I was like, wow, it looks like a pretty good product. So went ahead and ordered me one right away. I definitely want to support the guys in the hobby doing innovating, and just trying to bring good products to us, to help us with our setups and everything. And he does good speed runs. He has good information as far as setups and stuff like that. Yes, I went ahead and ordered it to show my support, and I'm actually pretty excited because I actually have my Limitless right here that I built it to do speed runs, but I haven't really done a good speed run with it yet. So I installed this into the Limitless, and I'll do a video of me installing it, and I am hoping I can get a decent pass on it before the winter hits on this end. But yeah, that's all I really got, man. Just those two items. Again, check out Island RC Nut. Just whenever they're back in stock, go ahead and place the order. I think it's like 40-something bucks, I believe, for them. Not too bad. It's really quick shipping. I ordered it, I believe, on Friday evening or Friday, I think, and then it came in the mail today, which is Monday. So it's pretty quick. All right, and again, FullforceRc, FullforceRc.com. Get yourself, some accessories for your vehicles. All right, and again, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.